Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional pastry chef. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं Indian pav buns. You can pair this bun with bhaji or any Indian curry of your choice. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम अपने सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को सीव कर लेंगे. तो जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, sieving will help us getting a smooth dough. We'll start from all-purpose flour. Followed by sugar, salt, instant yeast, and milk powder. You can use active dry yeast as well instead of instant yeast. So today I am using this stand mixer for kneading the dough. Now in this we'll add in milk and water. And start kneading it in a low speed, then gradually increase the speed. We'll mix it until gluten has formed and the dough is smooth. As you guys can see, the dough has a nice gluten formation and is stretching far. Now in this, we'll add in butter and start kneading the dough again. So if we can see through the layer of the dough without tearing it, that means the dough is ready to be proofed. If the dough is tearing while doing window pane test, then we'll have to knead again. So do you guys know why do we do window pane test? Let us know in the comment section. We'll now make a ball out of the dough and grease this ball with butter. We'll place the dough in the greased bowl and brush the dough with butter from the top and the side as well. We'll cover this with cling wrap. Now we'll let it sit for primary proofing for 25 to 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. So our dough has proofed. Now we'll remove the cling wrap and degas the dough. We'll brush butter on the counter and place the dough. So as you guys can see that it is soft and smooth. अब हम इसे थोड़ा सा spread करेंगे और इसको दो parts में divide कर लेंगे. Now we'll divide them into 8 portions. Now we'll measure them through a kitchen weighing scale, each weighing 90 grams. So while measuring the dough, make sure कि आप बाकी dough को cover करके रखें so that they don't get dry. Now we'll shape them into round balls like this. Now we'll grease this baking tray and this rectangular ring with butter. Now we'll place the dough balls inside the ring. Then we'll cover the tray with cling wrap. अब इसे हम सेकेंडरी प्रूफिंग के लिए रख देंगे until the dough comes to the top. So as you guys can see that हमारा डो अच्छे से प्रूफ हो चुका है. We'll bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. So while baking, if the color starts to darken, then place the aluminum foil on top of the tray. If you guys would like to try another bread recipe, then check out our mozzarella bun recipe, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. So हमारे पाव बन्स अच्छे से बेक हो चुके हैं. Now we'll press some butter on top. And our pav buns are ready to be served. I really hope कि आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Till then, keep baking.